Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of a company known as Saviland. They sent me some acrylic powders to try out, so I'll be using them with dip liquids to do a simple Valentine's inspired mani. So at the back of the box, I saw that they have that their products are 100% vegan and cruelty free, and it's non-toxic, so that's always a good thing. So in the kit, I got some instructions, very detailed instructions I might add. And the acrylic powders. There are 10 0.35 ounces of acrylic powders, and all of these powders are gorgeous. I got 3 solid pastel colors and the rest were shimmer glitters. If you'd like to purchase these acrylic powders, I would have a link in the description below, so make sure and check that out. So as I always do, I open one of the powders on camera to show that they all came sealed, and off camera I swatched the powders, and these acrylic powders are pretty. Oh my goodness, I didn't know which color to use, but something about the pink acrylic powder was calling my name, and since Valentine's is around the corner, why not do a simple mani to show you guys. And these are the dip powders in natural lighting as well. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my cheraelsymone bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. Originally I was going to apply 1 layer, but last minute I decided to apply a second layer just to protect my natural nails from the color. The shimmer glitter is really pretty, but it's also pigmented. I didn't see the need to apply a second layer on the ring finger since that is going to be a solid color, and also this is an optional step. The products I'll be using today are Lotus and Plum. So starting on the ring finger, I'm using the solid pink acrylic powder. So I apply a thin layer of base and poured the acrylic powder on the nail. I actually built up the nail with the powder. I didn't encapsulate this nail with clear. I needed to do this nail first because the pink shimmer glitter is really messy and gets everywhere. So it was a good idea to do this first. And if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And also don't forget to subscribe. It also helps the channel a lot when you watch the whole video and do all those things. So thanks for all who have done it in the past and continue to do it. Anyway, now on the index finger, I'll be using this pink shimmer glitter. This glitter is so stunning, y'all. I did 2 layers on each nail, and off camera I decided to do another layer. So I'm just doing my basic dip powder application. So I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I'll be back when it's time to encapsulate the nails. Now I encapsulated the nails with 2 layers of the clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator to all of the nails and waited for it to get hard and then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. So I got these beads on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. I wanted to try them out for this design. So I placed some other ones gel top coat on my palette and placed the beads so that it would be easier to access and it would not be rolling all over. Now I apply my Mother One's gel glue and top coat on the nail. Then I placed some of my rhinestones on the nail. Now in between the rhinestones I placed the beads and this looked so cute, oh my goodness. Then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. The bead kept moving around when I wanted it to stay in place, so I had to move fast and cure. Then I top coated the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds as well. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!